discovery of this century, and everyone wants to see it. Yes, the best boy. Code Red! Who let this? No sudden movements.
Who's telling Mr. Burnish?
It would be so fun. Are you awake?
Hi, everybody.
Where are you going?
I've got stuff to do.
Stuff? What is this? No.
I'll try.
Warm enough?
Toasty.
No boys.
What? No. Okay, bye.
What on earth?
We'll be back in a few hours.
My school. I'm a pre-med. Nice.
Oh, med school? She looks like she slept in a dumpster.
E, come shoot hoops with me. Come on.
Sorry, Pang.
Come on, E. You never play with me anymore.
Pang.
As usual, he's got a date.
Hey, Yi. You know I can smell you from all the way over. Oh.
Very funny.
You guys want to work out some of this tension on the court? That's what you always say.
48 likes.
He's never at home anymore.
Ma, I'd never give up on Yi. Look, push her, then just maybe.
Gee, is that you? Move. That is what I say.
Hey, Yi, why don't we...
Like your mother.
Oh, I'm okay. Thank you, Nai.
Yi, wait.
Because I sold it. No. I will. Some. Hi, Mom. Bye, Nai.
Came out of nowhere. Then it was gone.
Let me take care of the repairs to your truck.
So you're hungry now.
Oh, yeah. Starving.
At home with your family.
Ow.
Mrs. Liu called me today. Said, I like that you're ambitious. No one wants a lazy grunt.
Can we just talk about this later, Nai? You don't have... Hey, boy. Or girl. Whoa. You sure don't belong here. No. Okay. No. Nah. Good night, sleepyhead. Is that your home? Everest, considered to be no more than fairy tale and myth enthusiast, still holds a Yeti on my roof.
We have out there, or I will send you back to your job.
I was dribbling and the guy was like, oh no. And I was like, oh yeah. Something's missing.
Go. Hey! Do you hear me? Let go!
Hey! Get away from her! Okay, I'm calling the police. Hello? Police!
That's him. That's the Yeti. Ring Mr. Burnish.
What? No, Yetis don't exist. Like kidnapped? Come on, Hank. We're never gonna catch up to them.
You're gaining on us!
You darted Dave.
Yeah, we lost them.
Watch out!
Hold on, Hank.
There!
Both leaving the city, you have to get on it.
Get into position.
There's a girl with him?
No, how is she gonna get away?
They'll rub it in. Come on! Keep searching!
That one. Don't stop. Don't stop until you reach your mountain. Don't stop until you're home. Hide! Oh.
Yi! Yi, are you okay? Yi, are you crazy?
Wait for me!
Hank! I'm responsible for you! No! You think this is funny? Do you even know you have gotten me into so much trouble? I am so mad at you!
The unveiling is in 1 week. No speaking. Only leaving. All will be there, watching with their eyes.
The newly born clutch of rare whooping snakes. Creatures are to be respected.
Do I want that? I don't know. Take them. Oh. We promised the public a Yeti and nothing else. Your gerbil is freaking me out.
Chipboa. Duchess isn't. Animals are protected, especially the rare and exotic ones. That is the
I cannot go to that unveiling empty-handed.
Furnish.
News about you leaving?
A dock worker saw a creature and some kids boarding a...
Edition. We bring the Yeti back alive. You have to promise.
Yeah, Ma. Beijing is, it's fine.
Hey, hey.
Oh. And Yi came too.
Catch!
How long will we be here? Oh, excuse me.
I love this stuff!
Hey, okay. And that river will take you most of the way to the Himalayas and
Hundreds of miles away.
Actually, it's thousands. Woo!
Capable.
Look.
yeah, we should hide.
Wait. No!
I can't believe how beautiful it is out here.
I gotta go. Just hold it.
Out of my way! Gotta go!
Okay, that's good enough.
Good enough for what?
To buy tickets home.
I'm ready to order. I'll have some of Nine-Nine's pork buns.
Whoa! Is that, Not funny, all right? This is cashmere.
Do something!
Run!
Go faster! Enough to eat?
Let's just say.
Okay. Watch and learn.
I'm exhausted.
What? Why are you stopping? Come on, Peng, we need to get back to that dock.
There's so many.
Bugs?
Someone told me that the stars are our ancestors who always watch over us.
No. Great. No reception. Some kind of,
Loner? Is that what you were gonna say?
the city.
I can't leave him.
Yi?
You
Magical Yeti. Do you realize how crazy you sound?
look what happened with.
Before I declare a thumb war. Go!
It! That's why they get along so well. Everest is just.
That giant thing is a kid.
Wait, I'll prove it to you. Everest. And your parents. Make sure you get home.
What are you gonna do? Take them all the way back to Mount Everest? Never home? What's that all about, Yi?
Don't talk. Do you even want to be a doctor, or do you just think that you'll, I don't know, you'll look. I don't care if you think.
Your Nine-Nine said you stopped playing after your dad died.
Peng!
Thanks, Peng.
Every hour.
Okay, well, when we get there, you and Peng.
You got anything?
No, Captain. What was that?
Long since I've been out in nature.
Sir, if we...
Look at the bag, will you?
Right away, sir.
I want it in my penthouse.
Let us fan out!
Yes, sir.
The Yellow Mountain.
That.
Come on, Everest. I'll race you.
Right there!
Ooh.
Okay, I mean, if you really need to.
Starting in the championship game, the mighty. Cool.
Captain, I have footage. Copy that.
I wish there was a way out of here. Are you sure about this?
No! Hey! Get down from there right now! Meet me at that village! By the river!
Whoa! Everyone!
Stop messing about and get my my Yeti.
Yes, sir. So, who's going to tell Mr. Burnish?
I hope you're not hurt. Let me introduce myself.
Your gerbil is freaking me out.
A boy that knows his gerbils. I like...
Trying to rescue your friend when the Yeti kidnapped her.
Right? Just nod.
Mr. Burnish, please.
Peace.
I can get all of you back to the city, but the only way I can help your... I really need him back.
Everest. Amazing, Everest. You saved us, and now we're... That's his fault. He should have jumped. I mean, why doesn't he ever just jump? You're his family.
He thinks of you as family, too. Hey, little turtle. Well, so he had to watch out for her.
But don't worry. I can get us out of here. Let's go.
Suddenly, it tried to kill me. I needed to I rushed back to tell the world what had happened, but without proof.
All these years trying to get your proof?
Just by looking up.
Mr. Burnish?
Duchess. Is that your name? You're kind of cute, you know.
I can't feel my feet.
Lost. Everest is nowhere near his mountain, and for all we know, Jin could... Yeah. And I don't know, maybe he's right. It's okay, Everest. It's just a koi fish. Yeah. It's just something my... You know what, guys? We have to keep going. Come on, you guys, let's go.
Get back.
Kind of way. Oh, I tell you, he's going soft.
We had to keep the Yeti alive.
The buyer won't pay us unless he's still breathing, but if you want your 10%, you'll get rid of them. For good.
Duchess? But she's a one-of-a-kind albino gerbil.
What's this one? Gin? Alright, let's do this.
Alright, fine, just take it. Fish.
That's it, Pang.
No more swimming.
Yeah, but how are we gonna catch it?
Now this is the way to travel.
I can't figure you out. I mean, how do you...
Everest talks to nature.
Now that is it. Well, got an idea. Grab all of that rope. Can you see anything?
Nope.
Aaron, blend in.
Oh, you're...
Whoa! I'm so sorry.
Target spotted. Move out!
Hey, you! Need a ride?
Jin?
Everest! Oh no. High five!
Everest! Hang!
Come on, Jin! I knew you'd be here.
Hang on.
I'm trying!
Everest, do something! It's working!
Oh no. Gosh.
This is unbelievable.
Everest, make it go bigger!
Pang!
Hold it in.
Oh no.
Yeah, that when we were little, you know, my dad used to play all the time. Just for me. And...
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know why. I mean, in my family, we're all so distant and...
Ones who are distant? Good in the white doctor's coat? It did cross my mind. Yi, listen.
They're headed to the Himalayas, sir. And the Yeti's power mountains, there's a bridge. Once the Yeti crosses it, he'll blend...
Intimidating.
Stay the course, sir. After this, no...
Lots of reinforcements.
Yes, did you find that thing?
We're working on it.
Whoop!
There it is.
Whoop!
Come on, come quickly.
See?
They were my dad's. He kept postcards of all... What? All of these. All but one. The Leishan Buddha. This is the place that brought me here, didn't you?
You did.
We are so going to the Himalayas. Come on, if we maybe. We still have to keep going though.
With us, I mean. Like, will you guys still want to hang? Though we can't see them, we'll still know they're there. So that's kind of cool, isn't it?
It's not funny. Lock.
Look! Just across that bridge is home! Wait up! Go back!
Captain, hurry! Get my Yeti! Get him now! Wait! Hold your fire! Get back!
Mr. Burnish! Take the shot! Mr. Burnish!
Don't protect the Yeti. It's to let him go.
Captain? one down.
All right, move out. Yes, sir.
Sir, wake up.
I thought we had to keep the Yeti alive.
Dead. We'll have
Everest, you are by far. You exist. They would not understand.
But I promised to take Everest home.
Sets her mind on something. Nothing is impossible.
That I give you.
Thank you!
See you later.
It sure is a long way up there.
Life's just a journey. Oh, give it all.
I don't know.
So good at basketball.
Home, Everest. Home. It's not over. I missed you both so much.
Why don't you get that? It's probably the boys.
For your next adventure.
everybody dig in.
Pork buns more than me.
Well,
I'm serious.
Way up in the Arctic, there's a small town called Fox. And my kind evolved to blend into the environment. Just say my parents were a little old-fashioned. To them, being invisible...
Oh, Mr. Muskox!
Well, just meant being... All I wanted was to be seen, to be noticed. Like biggest celebrities and easily the most visible citizens in town. top dog delivery for a town as isolated as Tigersville. Trust me, that really meant...
Excuse me.
Oh, wait. Let's see. Nope. Not afraid not.
50.
Ah. Well, there you go, Shifty. Deliver your best.
Arctic Strong!
Turn my focus towards working at the place of my dreams. I was finally hired on as an ABDS junior employee.
Not so fast.
Welcome to the jungle. Well, all right, thanks. Of being a top dog, of being recognized, and standing out from the... lingonberry pie in my own.
Morning, Tangus Millions. You're listening to Nasty Nasnar and the Windbreakers. Scientists from recent years, but now all of a sudden, wow, it's hot anniversary with the ABDS. Yes,
Boy, who's gonna be top dog? Oh, that's you. And look at me.
Yes!
Wait, what the? What is that?
When here so early.
I lost my pound.
What pound?
The test. I'm going to deliver my best. Come on!
Swifty, how have Arctic Fox, who was not meant to pull a giant sled with even gianter packages? Maybe you should just be happy with what you have. Or catch hypothermia. Or fall into a crevasse and have to eat.
Like that other guy.
What guy?
Exactly.
Oh no, we're gonna be late. It's gonna take forever to walk from up here.
I'm baiting.
Are you crazy?
Buddy, I'll get us there.
Slow down!
We can't slow down in the air. We need to ride.
Too fast! Watch out! Look at the dog!
Do you think Jay would ever go? These are all about time.
Look out!
Swifty, what are you doing?
Hey there, Jay.
Magda see everything. DB online.
What are you looking at?
Up from last year's competently sufficient, but now get back to work.
But Magda, I've worked really...
These who are only extremely adequate? Is it fair that X...
Is that an earthquake?
Dream of being top dog, but you're not dog. You're just fox.
Be right. Just a little one.
Yet, I run serious business here. Quiet.
I didn't say anything. Promising.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Showtime.
I swear that's gonna be me one day.
Not on my watch.
That's great.
I don't know how much longer I can take.
Around the corner.
Jay is around the corner.
Yeah, right.
Just be yourself.
Lemmy, what do you got for me?
Where's Swifty?
Oh, I know. I realize that all my fans want to hear from me, but they're just gonna have to
Plug your phone in?
Okay, gotta go.
Hydraulic press and juiced up the tiered percolation unit.
Thanks.
Time.
Sorry, Jade. The delivery run done already begun.
Nobody's perfect.
Lemmy doesn't do flying.
Wait, but you're an albatross. I thought
My job.
Oh, I can deliver that for you. I mean, you're looking at the next lead dog for the Arctic Blast delivery service.
Nothing's official yet.
See? You know.
That
darn sorting machine.
Your package is safe with me. Lemmy, show me where Matt.
Whoa, mama.
Tell me I can.
This doesn't look good.
What are you talking?
Actually destroy you.
Just cover for me, okay? I'll be back before. Yes!
You'll need this.
Right, for autographs. Good thinking.
No.
3 blocks away now.
Yes, who is it? Package by the mailbox.
Yeah, sorry, I need a signature. Sir.
What?
Oh, I can wait. I can wait. Did the turtles even come home? I mean, technically, they're kind of home already, right?
Oh, what a puzzle!
Or sir, or either ways, it's fine.
Just give us.
Right there, Mr. Occupant.
Fuzzy little nosy Parker. Isn't there a delightful maxim of...
There's that jest again. Oh, look.
Those top dogs are becoming a nuisance.
Gate! Gate! Oh.
Hey, Swifty.
Hey, there went it. I mean, really far out there. You've been just about everywhere.
Well, not everywhere. And hot. Too hot. I miss the Arctic air, visiting engineering schools and all these exotic countries. My heart was here, in Tigersville.
Must have been
Exciting.
Oui.
That's French.
So, what do you got here?
I'm just putting the final touches on the...
Wow, 56 pounds of feet. Woo, that's a lot of feet.
I'll think about it.
All right, well, look, I should just get going.
Hey, Swifty?
Yeah? So, Jade, I was thinking, do you want to go out sometime? Hey, Jade!
What took you so long?
Oh, you should have seen me! Mr. Occupant, and there was like these little puffins. Oh, there's so many...
Swifty!
Guys! A single package.
Aha! Oh, I didn't know it was a secret. You said you got...
It's Lemmy, you know, he...
Promotion so long as Magda here. Never! Fox suspended...
Winks of good old-fashioned shut-eye. Yeah, my dogs are barking all right. Let the little guy have his dream. He's not hurting anyone.
Good morning, Tagesvillians. You're listening to Nasty Nas. Soon and grab that pina colada, and it's pool party time.
No return address.
Hey, let me out! Let me out!
It's a feather.
A feather from birth. The shadowy conspirators are finally coming to light.
It's their place up north, okay?
He knows where they live. This is true.
It is official! He must be...
What'd you do that for?
That was the initiation.
I am Berta, and this is my life partner, Leopold.
And your first mission.
Do you see?
Okay, well, I'll start the recon mission right away. Viva la resistance! Fight the power, we shall not be assimilated.
Thing.
No deliveries today.
No deliveries?
Swifty, what are you doing here?
What's going on?
It's the top dog.
Sorry, Moose Lady. We quit.
Do. And might I not move?
I hate when he's...
Now, I'm going out there. I'm taking a sled, delivering packages whether you like. I stepped in your ink pad and made little footprints all over your desk.
All right. Just get filthy paws off desks. Magda Bend room that belongs to office, that's it. You're done here forever.
All right, everybody. Top dog here, ready. Doors open. It's showtime. I got my game face on. How's it look?
To help pull.
Come on, no way. Not gonna happen.
If you feel faint,
the magic show in 3 and a 2 and a 1 and
Swifty? Magda change her mind about the suspension?
Let's just say she picked the right canine for the... No, you're a fox. Well, no, that sounds weird too. You're great. You had anything that needed delivering? Dog here, I know it must be hard to stay calm in my presence. Don't worry, I'm getting used to it. All of your packages are important to me. On your next delivery?
Oh, sure. Hurt himself pulling that sled.
I hope someone figures out why all the beavers...
Been playing by the rules that I never mean a thing. I'm just trying to prove that you're something that you need. I wanna make just let me get on my feet.
Why don't they make smaller sleds?
Kidnapping the top dogs? Now that the top dogs have seen our operation, we can't wait!
Yes, sir. Got another package for you.
Sure.
Wow, how many puffins have you got in there?
Oh, I'm not... Oh, did I say nefarious? I meant hilarious. Oh, we're starting on all... Caps.
Swimming caps. I thought you weren't discussing any... No, you still have my pen.
No, I don't. Now, Oh, all right. Please wait.
You show. Jade, what have you gotten yourself into?
The preliminary core sampling and pre-boring on the outskirts attack will rain down on those unsuspecting...
Oh, goodness. Bud?
Yeah, listen, there's something going on.
Hold that thought.
Dog returns! Oh, yeah!
Guys! All right. #1 star?
Of course. Quite honestly, Magda thought, keep. You've earned it. Okay, back to part.
Congratulations, Swifty.
Hey, all right. You hear what she said? #1 star. I gotta give the fans what they want. Hang on, just 1 second. You! Oh, come on!
Rock on! Yeah!
Jade, wait a second.
Oh, you know, Swifty, ever since I got back, it just seems like you've been trying to...
Come true. What's wrong with that, right?
Yeah, I get it, Swifty.
Back, hero. We got some celebrating to do. You saved the day.
Is someone... Oh.
Star I ever saw. Hey, actually get delivered on time now.
Don't you yearn for the burn? I'm getting ready to blast my abs and max.
Wait, PB, come on, get this time out for 1 second.
Be stronger than...
Oh. PB, what do you think is causing all this warm weather suddenly? Yeah, here you go.
Thanks. Awesome.
Aren't you worried about the earthquakes? You know, I saw something while I was delivering...
Can I get an autograph? Make it out to Martha. Can I make it out to Judy,
Yeah,
too?
okay,
She's
yeah.
D. Sorry, kids.
I don't deserve it.
Sure you do, pal. You've worked hard. What do you mean?
I think something is going on, PB.
I'm all ear.
Ready, right? Okay, it gets better. Now they're holed up in a secret fortress. Furnaces in a garbage can, which makes me 90% sure the top... I sound like I'm crazy, don't I?
Certifiable. You've been stretching the truth to get attention, that's why. And quite frankly, I've had...
No! What? I forgot about Jade. They're using her to build... No! I don't like him! Come on, PB, I'm...
Probably not listening anyway. You never do.
On it like a baby bonnet, riding a comet. Oh, yeah.
Jade need to fix machines. I call, but she no answer phone.
Oh! Dear Jade, go down in history alongside the world's greatest engineers.
Do tell.
Agents 50?
Yes?
You are truly one of us now.
We knew something was going on. We just didn't have all the pieces of... The Puffins have drilled so far.
Drilled for what?
The gas!
Unknown to the establishment.
Denied by the establishment.
It is for his...
Ice caps within minutes.
So those weren't earthquakes? Tigersville. And that mega drill they're building is so they can reach it.
It's Bob.
What you say, Agents 50?
Viva. I'm really beginning to hate this club.
There it is. The truth.
Gotcha.
Snowbank, hold on to your whiskers.
Oh, that smell! It's like the planet made of... Maybe they didn't notice.
I think they noticed.
Good morning, Miss Jade.
Who are you?
Who am I? Well, anyway, indeed, and I'm so very thankful for it. How decided to have you work in-house.
You kidnapped...
Now, as promised, I will reveal what we've created. Control panel. In any case, time is gauge button. To work, my dear.
Oh, you'll get your control panel all right.
We made it. Everybody wake up! Friends of mine, La Resistance.
Bonjour.
Guten Morgen, everyone.
What puffins?
The ones in the pictures I took. Look.
Ha, bad gas. I love it.
What about Jade?
Walrus.
Wait, what walrus?
This walrus.
All too well. Many years ago, before your fame and immortality, confusing his crate until they kick him out. Walrus find the ABDS. Walrus present innovations, modifications, never promote him. But then came your matic tube global mail delivery, but gas was also dangerous.
Look, Magda, you can't blame yourself for crazy. Reed? You know, you think that I...
Magda, no.
The Arctic will melt, and Tigersville will fall into the ocean. How's that taste, Lemmy? Now who's with me?
Magda with you.
Ah, Erico!
Vive la résistance!
BB?
This is all pretty unbelievable, Swift. Oh, that. Count me in.
Thanks, BB.
How are we supposed to get...
Right next to the door is a wall of sleeping gas blasters. Where else did you Duke and the others are being held? We rescue them, round up the bad guys, bada bing, bada...
Oops. Barely.
No, not okay. We're trapped.
This is great! I mean, well, it's not great that we're all stuck in...
You can't defeat these guys.
There's no way.
What do you...
Overworked mutts who just want to retire somewhere warm.
With a best, you deliver your best.
Hell, you kids. We just deliver the mail.
No.
It's finished.
Ah! I'd like to fill you in on what all your work has actually been used for. Below the surface and puncture a pocket of ancient priests. I was a pup. I've tried to make the world a better place by way of... Now it's my turn to take back. Rejected! High hopes for you, my dear. You were going to have the honor of fate. Then, what button was it again? They all look the same, just like...
Ah!
Failed. Are you all right?
Don't trust that Swifty. She works. It's not true. You don't believe... Because I didn't know Swifty.
Like I slayed you, Jade. He knew what buttons to push, and you let him. And once I got that in my head, I couldn't see anything else. It's like I had blows over. Curtains closed.
How could you say...
Prison, and there's no way out.
I see someone who never gave up. And sweet. But for some reason never... I came back for you.
What is happening?
Swifty!
My goodness, is that Magda? I almost didn't recognize...
Have to do this?
Oh, but I do, my dear boy.
But you trust me, right? Now we need to come together. That's the only way.
That'll do.
BB, can you throw us up there? You can do this, Jim! Not that fly! You're the only one who can get the controls! You have to fly!
Okay, wait. It's too far. I'll never make it. Huh?
Beaver!
What's he doing? Scream! Perfect landing.
Listen, I put a self-fallen into the water when I jumped out of the cage.
Anybody want to go for a swim?
That, where's the panel?
On top of the drill.
Which...
Will then self-destruct.
I love your attention. Drum roll, please. I'm here to unleash the devastating power, destroy your town to get at him. So, chins up, everyone.
Whoa.
4 minutes to impact.
Someone please take care of them once and for all.
Get him! I don't think we're... stuck. They saw me.
They won't see me. Look, there's no other way, and you know it. I'm the only one who has a chance.
Magda with Special Forces. Lifetime ago. On my mark.
The bottom right.
Third from the right from the bottom. No!
The red one. See?
Rot!
Charge! Bring it to Magda.
Stop him!
You
are strong! Do your thing, top dog.
Stop that naked!
1 minute to impact. 40 seconds to impact.
No!
To impact.
You can't stop me!
To impact.
There you go!
He did it!
Oh! Swifty! Help me! Don't leap! For being an idiot! Time for my escape! Let's go! Come and get me, you little freak! Oh, there you are! Listen, Puffins, I know keep on fighting and on and start over and... I order you to come back this! Oh, I see you are converging on it. Well,
Swifty.
Oh, I'm not blind.
Hey, Swifty, you're the best hot dog ever.
You know what? Drinking time, dudes. Yeah. After that, Magda actually allowed me to make some changes around employee morale through the roof. Chasing a dream. Oh, look at him go. With my feet in the ground. I'm just going for throwing no matter where I am. Because everyone has something unique and special to offer. Who's ready for some... I know none of these will get crushed now with you on the job.
You can count on me.
And Otto von Walrus? Let's just say he packed up and left. I'm just going for throwing no matter where I am. Look, I found something in your warehouse that needed some fixing. The way you expected to. In the end, it took someone special. Recognition, and big or small, to make the world a better place. And being true to yourself.
Let's go. Good morning. Let's do it.
Now everyone bring it in.
Wonderland.
I can't hear you.
We are the Wonder in Wonder.
This is a rotten avocado.
Welcome. Moment we open.
joke about dehydration? No. That's...
Of course. Come in. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We're on it. Copy that. Beaver Twin Brothers, activate.
Good morning, everyone! You're splendid. He's gonna be filled with the wonder of this wonderful land.
This is Peanut Right, the brand new Sky Flinger. Wow.
You might want to hold on, kid. Have you picked up your Wonder Chimp doll yet?
No.
Well, what do you here are the Wonder Chimps.
50.
Creating today, Peanut.
Oh, yes, that's right. Today's the day.
That sounds kind.
Well, how could I not defer to the young visionary who came up with the Now, think. What kind of...
Then the fish will come to life, and you could fly them all over the park.
And whisper your wish into Peanut's ear. Now,
Okay. Where would you like to go today?
Through the concession stand, people will throw popcorn in the air to feed them.
so long as Boomer does...
You've got school tomorrow, and you've got a DVR that's gonna run out of storage.
Okay, Junebug, that's it for tonight.
Or maybe it could be?
Me? Oh, yeah.
Good night, Junebug.
Time to make Wonderland real. But I haven't even had my morning coffee. Chris. Gonna need more nails. Good job. Who's they? It's just an expression. Don't bust me on a technicality. That's French for super awesome. A genuine loop-de-loop. 7 meters for the uninitiated. Commencing test run. Oh. We have ignitionalized it. Oh no! Peaches is loose. I'm trying. I'm done. Whoop! Firing structure. Break! It broke! On the left. Isn't that the steering wheel? It was. Now hurry. I love you, June. That was...
The discipline your daughter needs.
Don't you worry. She will be
Lunatic of a daughter? You bet. Fred, good to see you.
Away. Think about how much you'd miss me. You would really be the one getting punished.
to be subjected to.
I guess I walked right into that one.
What were you...
You said Wonderland could be real. And that I could do anything.
I can't imagine what I'd do if something happened to you. But Gus and Cooper, on the other hand, would have been crazy impressed.
More of Wonderland?
Yes, of course. But June...
We're swings to the heart of the park. And when it turns on, Wonderland comes to life. Now turn the crank.
No, hold on.
I know you know Mommy's sick for a while to see them.
How long?
Model patient.
And we'll go visit.
Bright.
I don't know if I can.
Just wanna hide away. Just wanna hide away.
Yeah, I will. You too, Mom. Keep that little light in you shining bright. That is marker. And whisper your wish into Peanuts.
But we'll never grow. I say we have.
we could use it for Wonderland.
Go on, Junebug. That'll be fun.
Bored and, dare I say, desperate, we've stooped to repeatedly rolling each other. Ow!
It was great seeing you, Bunky, but maybe
About what's going on with you?
all they want to do is play with Wonderland.
Well,
When you say tomorrow, you mean tomorrow morning?
Just tomorrow.
Send us instead.
Oh, that's why I married her. Now bring it in for the place looks great.
would you pack the whole house?
Where do we put it? Here it
I have a
comes.
present for you, June. It's perfect for your Wonderland model. Where did all that Tony?
I'm not about playing with toys. What do you say, Tiny? Let's rebuild.
What I found. What? It's the blueprint for... This is a beautiful thing you and your mom did together, darling.
What a visit!
Oh, no. Oh, June.
I'll be done in a minute!
Into packing.
This is dangerous. And I'm not wheatgrass deliveries. I put in 6.
All I'm saying is
Your
that
triglycerides are still not. Really? This expires in 3 days. You're cutting it
the first 7, I needed a little help. But since then, I've been okay.
going to math camp.
My morning toast will be fine.
Oh, and the milk in the fridge, it could be out of date, so make sure you...
On Abacus obstacle course and skin a knee.
The best summer ever! Oh, goodbye!
Okay, everybody here is heading to Camp Awesome.
Geometry humor.
Now, I could start with a million stories.
Oh my, here comes pie. How many can you celebrate? Irrational action that can't be. This is a terrible mistake. What was I thinking?
June, I'm okay.
Funky, I need your help. I need to get home. What? Your dad'll flip. We're talking. June, I think you might be reading a bit too much into this. I'll take the hiking trust. Okay. Yes! Funky, I could kiss you. Does second understudy count? Close enough. You know what to do. Man, I think I might. Oh, I don't think I can hold it down. Oh, it's up to yuck. Stop that!
Out for snakes. They're everywhere.
Snakes? It hurt all the way inside my bones. My mom.
Holy hypotenuse!
Oh, yeah, definitely the corn dog. Okay. Gotcha! No way. Hello? Peanut. Storm clouds? They're
What?
Regroup at Rock and Road!
I'm on it.
Cooper, start the pump.
Yep.
Steve?
I'll draft up an exit plan.
You're the bait. Boomer, you protect her with your life.
Hey, Boomer! What is...
Because if they see us, they will. Uh-oh.
Dinner is served.
Wonderland! Hold it!
I am holding it.
Hold it!
I'm literally holding. Skipping to safety. I'm almost out of danger.
Keep on!
And zombies.
One! This isn't really happening. I'm having a fever dream.
I call dibs.
He can't handle this. Hey, that's mine! Give it back!
Oh, shall we? With a self-reminder that this is an utter invasion. Did you just call me cutie pie?
Zombies! They got her, didn't they? It's all.
Get me.
Oh, thank heavens! I couldn't have lived with my.
I think the word you're looking for is pathetic.
I didn't say that.
You didn't?
I don't think anybody still remembers.
Ow!
You guys are the one.
It came when clockwork swings began to slow, and here in Wonderland, when the strangest thing happened. Clockwork, when we first saw it, the darkness. The darkness, never to be seen again. And,
Then why didn't he use his magic?
but
Back on, and one day restoring the park to all its former glory.
Graffiti.
How do you have a blueprint of Wonderland? That's gotta be the...
as if she really is the creator of Wonderland, she can fix clockwork.
I'm not a honeybee.
Rabbit!
Huh?
Steve, you're embarrassing.
House.
You bet.
Guys, scatter!
I call June!
We gotta get we work.
Right, then we skip like there's no tomorrow.
One different. What did he do?
Tra-la-la-la-la.
Come to Oh, exit!
Keep your arms and legs inside the rides at all times.
Wait, how did I get back here? Tripping zombies! Whoa! June!
Every day is a wonderful day. Wonderland.
Gus Cooper, check the north and west perimeter.
I started baking marshmallow
We
calzones.
lost Happy Land, Boomer.
But at least we got calzones.
And her.
Her? When the going exits anymore.
Well, they were exits when my mom and I created the park, so...
Comes from the Latin verb exeo exitum, which derives from the Greek verb eximi exit. Backing out. Beep, beep, beep.
Turning on clockwork swings is the key to that.
Oh, don't get the
Hungry.
He just sat there.
And sleepy.
Well, I looked at it every which way.
But she.
Imagination.
Something like that.
And let me guess. That means...
This day was missing something.
Well, you can imagine this maybe.
Fine. Every morning, Steve drinks his morning tea. 2.6 to perfection with a spot of almond milk. Maybe able to fix clockwork swings.
Listen, Peanut was willing to follow your lead here because I'm running out of options. But you gotta promise.
Pretty good at fixing things. But you gotta get me to clockwork swing. Why?
She glides. Nothing here, just a bit of a roll call. Steve, present and accounted for.
Oh. It must be that one of the gears is jammed.
Eureka! She's fixing it!
Ever been before?
I know you have the answer. Please tell me the answer.
Well, what does it say?
Which is what, exactly?
Mom, why? But it's been a while since
If the tests were multiple choice,
We need that blueprint!
Come out, get it, go! No! No! Stop! Fireworks falls is a death!
We have to get it! We can't lose it, guys!
Throw me! I'll get.
Your fault.
Why is it always my fault?
Got to be
Picking up with this reckless abandon for months on end, and it is Chip.
Oh no!
Oh, dearie me. We're just teaming with agent provocateurs bent on our demise!
Stop, drop, and roll! Run!
Use your quill, Steve!
Quite right!
Wait, where's June?
there.
Whoa! Whoa! cut, 1 4, 1 4. Oh! Woo! Peanut! Where did you... Happy, let's go find them.
No.
Come on, I lost them at Fireworks Falls.
I made it up here.
And now you're...
And now I'm sorting the cannons.
If you're scared of the park...
I'm not scared of the park. It's just... There's no rules for something like this.
Wait, I know how this works.
Splendiferous. Yeah, I used to be.
All these amazing things in Wonderland.
Inspiration, it came from...
Voice. What's the matter?
And not too long ago...
The sound...
Guess whoever she was, she forgot about me. I kept waiting.
Peanut, there's something I need to tell... Shh! Don't shush me!
Win. We need to move now! Look out, June!
Oh my gosh!
Hold on!
Oh no!
There is for you.
G-Land. He's alive.
What? Peanut's alive? How brilliant!
But he was taken by the...
They're too rickety.
But it's the right idea. What else can we use? Gotta think fast. Something... The darkness. I think maybe...
Stand. If you created Wonderland, why would you want...
Stop caring about the park. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Running! Trust me, we can bring the...
We've been trusting you. But if we knew... Guys, it's dark. We'll figure this out on our own.
Why would you stop caring? Whoa. You created the darkness.
I'm sorry, Mom. Now.
What you need? Stringing a wire, sticking a stone. You do.
Without wrecking the neighborhood.
You may want to come and see this.
Sounds like another sky. Stay back.
Well, I'll be Peanut's uncle.
Oh, she's actually done it.
Huh. But you look... So, what's all this about? How do you know it'll work?
Because I built this place. So scared of losing her that I lost... Buckle up. We're gonna ride that coaster like the wind. Who's with me?
I'm more of a 2 feet on the ground kind of guy. I think there's a weight
We got this.
Oh, gosh. I have that weird kid.
Boomer! We'll be right up! Gratitude!
Terrifying with those beaks and those talons.
Come on, Greta. You guys did block the wheels, right?
What are the odds?
Astronomically small.
Oh, no, he's looking at me. Oh, no. Shoo! Call! No! Ow! No.
Gus, Cooper, jump the upper track to the lower one. And we'll reroute Boomer to say...
Oh, man.
Well, at least we got dinner.
Roger that. Aim!
Wait, we could all still get across. Okay. Brace for impact!
Jake, we did it.
You did it.
I did it. I mean, I did.
Members of the animal kingdom with the power of speech hanging next to...
Tips.
Oh, crikey.
Not we.
What do you have in mind, kid?
It's about what I...
June.
I am the wonder in Wonderland.
June, is that you?
Peanut! Hey, are you hurt?
I'm so sorry they got you too.
You gotta get us out of here.
She's out there, trying to get back to us. Giving up. So neither should we.
Without her.
Stronger than the darkness.
Now take this.
But without her.
Peanut built us the biggest slide in the whole wide world.
Now let's get out of here.
Bendy straw.
Slap my tail.
Tally-ho! Oh, dear.
And since you are, how about you get those clocks started and bring our park back?
My name. My park. My name.
It is on extra fway!
I weren't riding over the clocks. You were telling me how to fix it. How to jumpstart the clocks. It's working! It's working!
Keep going!
Go, 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 go! Now right!
Beaver Twin Brothers, activate!
Launch me, Greta.
Launch you?
Launch me. Nailed it.
We got the...
Whoa!
You're splendiferous.
Do your little dance. Do your little Wonder Chimp dance. Oh, look how cute they are.
Come on, Boomer. There's guests to us.
No, I'm not the glue.
You're the glue, Greta.
You always have.
How we doing?
Me first!
Well, wait. What about you?
You're gonna do what you always...
Because who are we?
We are the
More time!
Ta-da!
There to remind us to look at the light that...
Under extreme conditions.
Speaking of the light that surrounds...
Popcorn.
Yep, I'll be right there. I just need to, well,
You'll hear me in the wind.
This really is splendiferous.
Identical.
Yep.
Sweet.
So sorry for being gone a whole night and not telling you where I was.
What?
If you did...
I have so much to tell Mom. I have way too much work to do.
Such as?
Making up for lost time. Hey, Dad. Just a few more. Great. Can you make a big balloon arch over the back fence? Like over it or over the fence? Like behind it. Over the fence. Can you please tell Bunky just to put it behind the fence? I just gotta finish.
You know, I think...
What are you waiting for? Come here. See you.
Are you?
I'm okay.
I've got a story even you might not believe. Differous. Come on. Wonderland is... Peanut is excited to create a new ride. What are you thinking? A Ferris wheel. That's a great idea. But
Eyes!
a flying Ferris wheel made of glow sticks. That's a... Take your marker and create
Oh, that's wonderful.
Spin!
Ferris idea. Coming right